Hello, welcome to Dynamics 365 Financial Operation video tutorial series. In this video, we will talk about multi-level inheritance, which is a part of object-oriented programming concept. And here we are talking about X++ programming language. So let's start. So from the previous video, you already know that how to use single inheritance. So we have a parent class, and for example we have a parent class vehicle, and from that class we are actually creating a child which is B. That means here is our car class, here is our vehicle class we have created, and here is our car class. Now at this point of time we will add one more class, and which is actually called multi-level inheritance. So we have a vehicle class, we have a car class, and we will create a new mini car, and this mini car will acquire the properties of the car class, and car class will acquire the properties from the vehicle class. So this is a kind of level. So this is the first level, parent, this is the child, and here is the second level of child. So it is me, my father, and my grandfather. So like this is the level, 3 level. So when you are using this kind of properties, this is called actually multi-level inheritance. So B class or the car class will extend the class A, that is vehicle class, and this class C will extend the class B. That means mini class will extend the car class. So how we will do that in practical scenario we will show. So here is the code which I have already written in the previous video. If you don't know single inheritance, so you can see our previous videos. So we have already two part 1 and with constructor. So you can see that two video, then you will be able to understand this code. So you can see that there is our vehicle class which is the parent class, and here is our car class which is the child class. So if we click over here, you can see this is our child class, car class, and now we will create one more class which is the third level, and here I'll create one class, and there I'll give mini class, and I will add it, and at this point of time I'll make it final so that other person cannot make it or cannot extend. So if he'll now at this point of time we will extend the car class. So we have to use the extends keywords here, and here I will give the car class. So before that I'll see is this a final or not. If it will be final, the car class will be final, then we will not be able to create or extend this mini car class. So here we can actually have the constructor. So how we will do that? So I'll just copy it from the car class itself. So we can take this and we can add this, and we can add a new one more properties for the mini car. So I am taking it as a string str and name of car. Okay, so I have to instantiate this one, right? So for that I'll take one str variable in the constructor, and I'll give the underscore. I'll just copy it and I have to paste over here. So you know that we already have a super, that means the parent class of the mini class is the car class, and which is having a constructor with the 3 parameters. So in the mini class we have to send one more extra parameter, which is the number of passenger. So I have to copy it and I have to paste it, otherwise it will give the error. Okay, so this way we can initialize or instantiate or make a constructor. Okay, and at this point of time, what we will do, we will take the number of car equals to underscore car, like this. So with this super, these three parameter will be initialized, and to instantiate this value we are using this. So from here we can print out one more variable, that is our name of the car. So we can give here, but here I have to say percentile 4 over here to say the name of the car. Okay, so this way we can initialize. So if you have any one extra, if you want to add extra method over here, you can do that. So I'm just typing over here public void, and I'm just we're just taking a random method display like this, or we can take like this display color, and we can print out the color of the car. Okay, or we can display message over here also, display car name. Okay, and at this point of time we will print over here the name of the car str. So we have to select strfmt, then we have to give percentile 1 name of the car, like this, equals to percentile 1, and then you can say, or you can access the name of the car str, which is str. Control V. So I have just saved it. Now we have to access this mini car. Okay, so if we'll go to this test class, so in the previous section you have seen that I have created the car class object because that was a single level inheritance, but at this point of time we will create the mini class object of the mini class. So I have to give the mini class. Okay, and then copy it again, and you have to paste it over here, and you know that just delete over here, or don't delete. It will say that it is taking actually parameters height, weight, number of passenger, and name of the car. Okay, so already height, weight is there, number of passengers is also there, but here I have to give the name of the car is car number 1. Okay, car number 1, and you can see that everything is gone, and the name of the objects will be mini car, and from this mini car you can select, you can access the info method, also you can access the run method, also you can access the child class, that means which is present in the display car method, which is present in the mini car class. So you can access that also, and you have to just keep the brackets like this, and you can save it. So you can see nothing error is there, no error is there. So I'll set a debugger point and I will show you how this program is actually executing. So our first level is parent level is our vehicle class, second level is car class, and the third level is mini class. So when we are creating the object, we are testing this code, so first we have to create the object of the mini class, and we are instantiating through the constructor, and after that we are accessing the mini class method which is present in the mini class. Then we are accessing the info which is present in the car class. Also you can see this is present also in vehicle class also. And after that we are accessing the run class which is present actually in the vehicle class but not present in this car class. In car class also present, but in the car class we are accessing the super. That means it will also execute or it will call also the super class. That means vehicle class information it can access. So now I'll set the debugger point over here, and I will give the debugger point in each and every method in the vehicle class. Also put the debugger each and every methods, also over here also and here also. Now we'll set the debugger, well, debugger point actually set, and now we'll execute it. So you can see that our program is actually executing and our debugging point is over here. So from this line the mini class object will be will create, and it will instantiate the height, width, the number of passenger and the name of the car. So if we'll click over here, step over here, so what it will do, it will directly go to the mini class first. So I just click, you can see that it's actually coming in the constructor directly. So and from this constructor you can see that it is passing the value 10. Also you see it is passing 12, number of passenger 2, and the name of the car is car number 1. So if we'll click over here, it will call the super. Super means the car class because it is extending the car class, so it will go to the car class constructor. So you can see that car class is here, and it is instantiating or it is calling the new method which is actually constructor. So you can see it passes the value 10, 12, and the number of passengers is 2. Number of passengers is 2, and from this constructor it will call again the super of the car class which is actually vehicle class. So it will call the vehicle class constructor and it will go to the vehicle class. So you can see that it is coming over here, that is actually vehicle class. So first it will instantiate this one and this one, the value is coming, and it will instantiate height and width. So if we'll click, you can see that both height now 10 and width now 10. So it will go back to the child class again, that means the car class, and now we can see here that passenger is 0. Now from this line in the car class it will instantiate the value of the number of passengers. So you can see the number of passengers is 2 now, and it will print this message in the info log. So if we'll click over here, so you can see that car class actually printing the height, width, and the number of passengers. Now if we'll click over here again, it will go to this mini class and it will instance, and at this point of time the car class is having the null value, nothing is there. So if we'll click number of name of the car, and if we'll go over here, you can see name of the car is car number 1, and it will print this info message. So over here you can see 10, 12, 2, and name of the car is car number 1, and it will go to the main method. That means here now the object is actually created, all the properties got its value. Now you will call the properties, that means methods. So now it will call the display car name method, and it will print the this message in info log. You can see that name of the car is this one. So if we'll click over here, it will call info and it will print out the info message like this, and if it will run. So this way the run method will go to the parent class and it will run the info message, and it will go to again the child class and it will print the message from the child class also. So it will print the vehicle class info message also, then it will go to the car class and it will print the info message which is present in the car class. So I hope this is clear for you. So we already covered the single inheritance. Also in this video we have just covered multi-level inheritance. If you have any question, you can write it in the comment section. I'll try to give the answer as soon as possible. So thanks for watching this video. Take care. Bye bye. See you in the next video.